Ever wondered how to check the continuity of your power cables, wires, and switches? Well, continuity testing is your answer. It's a method to determine if an electrical path is complete or broken. In simpler terms, it tells us if electricity can flow freely through a conductor such as a wire or switch. Now pull out your trusty ohmmeter. This handy device can be found at your local hardware store or online. Your first task is to set the ohmmeter to measure resistance, that's ohms. Then make sure it's zeroed out. Ensure it's set to measure resistance and zeroed out before use. Next, identify the power cable, wire, or switch you wish to test. It's crucial to remember safety at this stage. Before proceeding with the test, disconnect the power source. This step is essential to prevent any unforeseen accidents. Ensure that the power source is disconnected to avoid any accidents. With the power off, it's time to connect the probes. Take your ohmmeter and attach each probe to the opposite ends of the component you're testing. Be it a wire or a switch, make sure each probe touches the metal surface. Ensure the probes make good contact with the metal surfaces. Once the probes are in place, observe the reading on the ohmmeter's display. A low resistance reading, close to 0 ohms, signals continuity, implying the electrical path is unbroken. Conversely, a high resistance reading, or infinite resistance, suggests a break in the circuit. If you encounter infinite resistance or a significantly high resistance reading, it indicates a break in the circuit. This could be due to a faulty wire, cable, or switch interrupting the flow of electricity. Further inspection and possible replacement may be necessary. Always prioritize safety when working with electrical components. You see, the power must be switched off before any testing begins. It's a simple step, but it's crucial. And remember, handle the probes with care. Handle the probes carefully to avoid any shocks. Congratulations! You've learned how to use an ohmmeter to check continuity in power cables, wires, and switches. This knowledge empowers you to troubleshoot electrical issues confidently. Remember, mastering these skills takes time, so keep practicing, stay empowered, and keep learning.